were just here to stay until something better came along. Until something better came along.
There are stains on your photo, little cracks on your rusty frame, stuck in the mud, oh, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of your home, buried in the flashbacks. All these wicked nightmares have gone cold. Now we go way back, as far as way back goes. Still standing by your side, you know I'll be right here.
Hi everyone and welcome back to today's video. Sorry I have been MIA. I've just had so much going on. Like, life has just been so crazy and I'm trying to keep with the keep up with the editing and the filming. I'm doing so much filming, it's just literally trying to sit and edit the videos. That's what's taking the longest. But I'm hoping that I can start getting into a proper routine now, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So today's video is a proper deep clean, declutter and organise of my son's room. We're starting off with his toys. He has so many trains and I had to give them a little declutter. He still has so many, but he does love them. And he loves his cars as well, and literally every toy that he has in his room he plays with. But there was some bits and bobs I could get rid of. The drawers I didn't really need touched. Some of them needed, like the top one I organised, but then the second and the third were absolutely fine, and I organised the wardrobe and just gave everything a good wipe down. So I'm not going to do much talking throughout this video, I'm just going to let the music play. And if I need to chat, I'll pop in and out. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy today's video.
Still standing by your side, you know wanted people, sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes she made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. She thought she could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Oh, so cruel. Oh, so cruel. Adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me, adore me. Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution, I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. Running. Everyone says that I should get going, start running. But how am I supposed to run when I'm falling? I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble, trouble, trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble, trouble, trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. I don't wanna get in trouble. Just see where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant, all the words you never said, all the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble.
ain't giving you up. I get up and try to give you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try to give you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, more than giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And how I wanna build my whole world with you and my never. And now our love will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Girl, I'll take it when you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up, 'cause I want better, but baby, you're not giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try to give you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try to give you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, oh yeah, I'm giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so you're looking so Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk, I'm drunk. It feels like I'm drunk, I'm drunk. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
This did take me a whole day because I did do a proper deep clean, but it doesn't take long in my son's room, if you get what I mean, because he hasn't got as much. Well, a lot of his toys in his room are big toys, so like his tractor, his caravan, that big train set, and then everything else just really goes into drawers. He's been playing in his bedroom a lot more, so that's why there's so much more mess, but I love that, and I just love the whole like stage of them playing in their rooms. I wake up in the morning and he's playing in his room until his sister gets up, so it's just a really nice feeling. But yeah, so we're getting to the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I have more reading videos coming soon and more cleaning videos. There's a lot of projects I've been working on. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Any video suggestions are welcome, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Comforting myself like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down. But I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free like a roller coaster. Stronger me, feeling free like a roller coaster. Grandpa used to ask why I'm single with such a pretty face. Where is your man? You should go out and chase him. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. So now I'm about to take care of myself, comforting myself like a roller coaster. One week I am up, next one I'll be down. But I'm getting closer to a stronger me, feeling free like a roller coaster. Stronger me, feeling free like a roller coaster. I don't need anyone else. I just wanna be for myself a while, nobody else. I just need